Clear the platform on Bay 3.
Watch the hydraulics.
In this state-of-the-art facility, every hide is meticulously tagged and scanned, ensuring total accountability as it moves through the automated process.
Each horse skin receives a digital barcode and RFID tracking tag. Robotic label printers apply.
Crystal clear water flows continuously through advanced filtration, monitored by the robotic systems regulating the wash duration. The rotating industrial brushes meticulously clean the thick Clydesdale leather. Simultaneously, fine dust.
Look at this fluctuation in the dorsal region. The collagen density is lower than the threshold. Yes, the system flagged that. We should rerun the scan at a higher resolution.
Are the temperatures holding steady?
Within tolerance, everything is green here.
The grain on this Appaloosa is exceptional. Check the thickness measurements on the tablet.
Confirmed, within tolerance for the spotted section.
High-speed precision buffing machines polish every Arabian horse skin, producing an exceptionally smooth and luxurious texture. The CNC oscillating blade precisely follows the digital patterns, ensuring every horsehide panel is cut with millimeter accuracy for the jacket components.
See that? Right within tolerance across the entire panel. It's perfect. Go ahead and log the approval.
Crafted from premium horsehide, these jackets move swiftly from the line. Soon,
robotic coating machines apply a transparent protective finish over every horse-skin leather surface to improve durability, flexibility, and water resistance. Advanced embossing rollers gently enhance the luxurious texture of every horse-skin leather sheet while maintaining its natural grain. Each horse-skin leather jacket is placed onto adjustable robotic mannequins that precisely calibrate shoulder width, sleeve length, and overall jacket symmetry before inspection. Knees. AI-powered vision systems scan every completed thoroughbred horse-skin leather jacket using multiple ultra-high-resolution cameras.
Look at the seam here, perfectly uniform.
Yeah.
The finish on the collar is excellent. We can approve this one.